Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to add Paysafecard to Fortnite payment method. Okay, first you have to sign in your account, then go into right upper corner you can see that person and going to click account. Okay, scroll down you can see that payment management, click that payment management. Okay, if you have a Paysafecard, Mastercard, then go ahead and click credit card and fill up all details. Okay, click that credit card. You can see that all the details you have to fill up everything, card number, expiration date, CVV, zip code, then save. Okay, after you save all the details, then go ahead and add fund to wallet. Okay, everyone, after you successfully added Paysafecard details, you have money in Epic account. That's the way how to add Paysafecard in Fortnite payment method. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.